not okay.
More eggs!
Huh?
More!
Where are the eggs?
Who is with this person and eggs?
I'm getting acclimated. Why always the eggs, though?
What is it with this person and eggs? There were like 30 billion egg cartons everywhere. There's like a shit ton of eggshells outside. I'm crying. I'm gonna throw up.
I need to go outside for
Hey,
a
Mom,
minute.
are you thirsty?
Only if you eat those pickled eggs.
No!
I gotta step outside for a minute.
No.
You're on. Look. Just like a good mother in the wild, I am abandoning you.
Oh my fucking God.
Oh.
Hey, Mom, while you're out there, can you grab me a new bag?
Oh no! I got.
You tell me.
Hell no! Doesn't know.
Grab me a new bag. Oh God. Dad, So, what we got is a mess. We've gotten ourselves a pretty big old house here. But the prior owner, was struggling with some personal demons. And it was, oh shit. It was not a very good situation.